Sexual reproduction in plants. Sexual reproduction takes place by the formation of gametes. The formation of gamete, the fusion of gametes, it is very essential for sexual reproduction in plants. Also, that two parents are needed to give rise to a new individual. Let's study the reproductive part of a plant, that is flower. We are very much aware that flower is the reproductive part of a plant. What it does is that it forms seeds which helps in giving rise to new plants. Now a complete flower consists of four whorls: calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. Now all these they fall into two categories: accessory whorls and essential whorls. Accessory whorls consist of calyx and corolla, and essential whorls they consist of androecium and gynoecium. We'll study about them one by one. First we have the accessory whorls. Accessory whorls includes calyx and corolla. Now calyx is the outermost whorl of flower. Calyx consists of 5 or more green leaf-like sepals. Like here we can see these green structures. These are called as sepals and they unitedly call as calyx. What it does is that it protects inner parts of a flower in the bud stage. When the flower is not fully grown or fully bloomed, it protects the flower in the bud stage. Corolla is the second whorl of a flower. It is formed of 5 or more brightly colored petals. These petals which we can see, when united, it is called as corolla. What it does is it attracts insects, birds or mammals for pollination of flower. Then we have our essential whorls, which are, as given by the name, they are very essential for the sexual reproduction in plants. First, we have our androecium, also known as the male reproductive part or male reproductive whorl. What it consists of is stamens, and every stamen is formed of anther and filament. We can see here that we have an anther and filament, and unitedly it is called as a stamen. Pollen grains are formed inside the anther. This anther that we can see, pollen grains are formed inside it. It contains male gametes. Gynoecium is the female reproductive part. It is also called as pistil. Here we can see that this is the pistil part and it has stigma, style and ovary. Now what is ovary? It contains ovules. These round structures are called as ovules, which is a female gamete or egg formed in the ovule. This ovule forms the female gamete or the eggs, which is important for the sexual reproduction of plants. Thank you.